Have you ever been making a video and you put in a still image and thought, that's just far too boring? If so, I've got a website that's going to help you to liven up those images every single time you use them. I'm Ray the Video Guy, and today I'm going to tell you all about a new website called Immersity.ai. So let's take a look right now. So the first thing you're going to do is head on over to Immersity.ai, and once you're there, you're going to sign up for an account, and then you're going to log into the actual application. When you do, you're going to see this upload button right here, and all you have to do is hit the upload button and choose an image. So in this case here, I'm going to be working on some back pain stuff. This one looks pretty good. We're going to choose this image, and it's going to load it in here. Now it's going to tell me that my image is a little bit too big, but that's perfectly fine. It's just going to shrink it down a little bit. It's going to do a little bit of processing, and then once it's done doing that processing, boom, here you can see now you got the image on the screen, but you can see it's doing a little bit of movement. Now, if you look at all the buttons over here, you can actually change the type of movement that it's going to create. So now this still image kind of shows this guy moving up and down. And what's really amazing about this is it isn't just doing a simple parallax effect. It actually looks like the 3D version of this guy's head. Like, it actually looks round and it seems to be moving around it. And the AI does an amazing job with that. You can choose different directions, so we can move it left to right. We can move it in a circle. You can also do the rotation, where it's going to kind of move it around the screen. And you can even do zooms. And this just takes a very simple still image and turns it into something really cool. You can go the opposite direction. You can zoom to the left. You can zoom on the center. You can zoom to the right. All of these just adding a nice depth to that image. So you're not just putting a simple, boring image on your video anymore. You're putting something that looks really cool. And you've also got custom buttons here as well. So you can actually go in and adjust this on your own. So if you want to change the positioning, you can do that. X and Y, position on the Z. All these changes you can make in here. The middle point and the ending point. You can change the amount of motion. You can get some really neat effects with that. The animation length, so this will do up to 10 seconds there. You can change the focus point if you want. You can also do a depth map here, and this will allow you to change what gets moved around. So he got it here. So in other words, you can see here where it's whitest, that's where it's going to do the depth. But if you wanted it to do a different area, you could certainly do that, just like so. And once you're done with that, if you were to save that, you can see, well, it's a little tough to see because this part's white, but it's actually moving this portion of the image as well. Once you're done getting exactly what you want, which, to be honest, we've kind of made a mess of it right now. But if this is what you wanted, you would hit export, and you can export it in a few different options: an MP4, a GIF, or a PNG. So in this case here, if we want to do the MP4, we just hit next. And you can see here, we got the options on here for watermarking or for commercial use here. Hit next. Choose the frames per second, 30 or 60, and export it out. And so now you've got a really cool image that you'll be able to put into your video that actually moves. This is going to add a lot more excitement to your videos. And of course, if you want to make better videos, well, you got to use better tools, and Immersity.ai is one of those tools, so be sure to check it out. Now, if you have any questions about Immersity AI or how to use it, please comment down below. Let us know if you've done any projects with this and what you would love to see talked about next as we do more and more of these videos. So please let us know down below, and we'll see you guys next time.
And it's a beautiful day.